So hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to make a meme coin on Pump.fun. So before this you have to create your profile. So let me go through incognito Pump Fun. Okay, I am not a robot. What the heck? So we go to Pump.fun for first time. This is here we see here it will ask you guys to connect the wallet. So here you can log in through email or more wallet option. So there was also a option in normal for phantom. So here I have connected my phantom wallet, which is this one. As you can see here, all Solana is gone. I have earlier created a token which was this one, as you guys can see here. So I have received this from my Binance account. So from Binance, if you have convert the USDT into Solana, here you can go to trade, convert and block trade. There it is the USDT amount. Here it will come Solana. Then you can put how much you guys want to put. Imagine if you are putting $100, so you will get this much amount of Solana, and at least try to do $100 minimum if you want to make your coin pump, okay, in Pump.fun, because otherwise you will be wasting your money mostly on transaction and different fees. So then after this you guys go to this save icon, there overview, then here we can see withdraw, here withdraw, then select the sol, here comes array Solana, then open your phantom wallet, then receive, click here, you will get this address. Here you will enter address, it has automatically detected. Here you can see minimum $0.1 for transfer, as you guys can see here 0.1. So yeah, here it is. Then after you guys have completed your transference, you guys can tap like sol 10 sol, okay. So here it will come how much you will get withdraw. I don't have, so I am not getting this. Then you will get a message in phantom wallet like this received from whatever this ID theta. Then you go to Pump.fun. Here you will tap and see start a new coin. Here in this we will see name, ticker, description, image upload, and extra option where you can add additional links. So here you can select anything. What the name? I will say pumping llama. Ticker will be PPL people. So you can write description of about anything. I will write time pass for YouTube video. I don't have money in my Solana, so I won't be uploading. Here you can select images. You have to select, it's mandatory. Then you will create here. It will say image or video is required. Then you do this. Then it will happen, and there will be a pop-up come from your phantom wallet where you can confirm your transaction. Here you confirm, then transaction hash will become here on the screen where it will says a coin has been created. Then you guys can go to view profile there, then go to coins created. here you will see your coin. Then the graph will pop up like this, and you can buy anything and any amount you want. So yeah, that's how you make your Pump.fun token or coin easily. And you need a wallet where you can transfer money. If you can't directly transfer money into your Phantom wallet, you can use Binance, which is the best website and app. So yeah, it is for the video purpose and education purpose only. And yeah, if you guys want to do some crazy fun in Pump.fun, you can do. And here you guys can see the bonding curve and everything else. It will appear as what amount of people, like let's see in an example. So let's features by creation time, then creation, then you guys see here currently the penguin meta is running a lot. Here you can see they hold this much amount, this, then it is already dumped. So here you can see so many penguin, because there is penguin trend is going on currently. Then yeah, it is for the video. Bye.